These are some new bunks that Byron's made for us.
That's a tough one.
Tune-up this morning on the gas Lombard.
Yeah, it's running really, really good. We did the points, condenser, we changed out the spark plugs, gapped everything. You can hear it's just purring right now. It actually is too quiet now. It's never run this good. I love this beast. So Herb, what we have here is Canadian goose jerky. Now this is my first attempt. Alright, I used a dehydrator, I didn't use the smoker on it. So I didn't get too wild with the flavor. It's just a basic flavor, but you definitely need to have this and try it. Okay?
Thank you. Great Lombard meal. Thanks, Terry.
Of course. We only eat the best, right?